How to change location on Snapchat maps without using your PC. First things first is access your Snapchat account and then just head directly to your Snapchat settings by clicking on your profile icon right here and then the gear icon. Now, if you scroll down a bit and then look for Ghost Map, and unfortunately, this does not exist on changing a certain area or location in which you are currently in or at using Snapchat maps. Instead, you can only share locations using the ghost mode maps on Snapchat. Now, the other thing that you can do is to use a third-party application. Just to simply close your Snapchat app and go to your Play Store. And then from here, all you have to do is to search for Snapchat change location. And here, there's going to be multiple results that going to be visible right here. All I have to do is just try either one of those options right there for you to be able to have a replica or a replicate location on your Snapchat account. What I can recommend you to do is to use this specific application, which is the fake GPS location. Just follow through the process, and you should be able to change your Snapchat Maps location without your PC.